beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this simple Ofada sauce recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so here is the pepper I'll be using. So I'll be using this unripe pepper. Feel free to use the quantity you can go with. Okay, so I went ahead to blend it. It's gonna be roughly blended, not smoothly blended. Okay, so you see how it is now. Next, in my pan I'll be heating up my palm oil. Okay, this palm oil we're gonna bleach it. So to avoid burning down your house, please cover and don't open on a low heat for like 10 minutes. Don't open it. Okay, so after bleaching, this is my bleached palm oil. So I'll transfer my cooked beef into my bleached palm oil. So I'm gonna be frying this. I'll stir everything around. My protein is cooked already. You can use any protein of choice. Okay, so I'll go ahead to cover this. Please make sure you cover it and be careful when stirring it around because this thing can jump. Like I was literally jumping in my kitchen because the splash was not here. Okay, so be careful, do it on a low heat. And after that, I'm satisfied with it. I'll go ahead to add in my onion. I'll add in my locust beans powder. If you have the normal locust beans, you can use it. So the powder is what I can get over here. So I'll stir everything together. By now your kitchen should be scenting. Next I'll add in my roughly blended pepper and I'll stir everything together. Thank you beautiful people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, drop your comments what you feel about this video, and let's continue. Give this video a thumbs up also. Okay, so I'll cook for a while and after a few minutes I'll come back to check and the sauce is doing well. So I added in my crayfish powder, my seasoning powder and salt. Okay, so I'll lose it up a bit with my beef stock and I'm gonna stir everything properly. This sauce is so good that within a few minutes you are done making it and you can pair it with so many things. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.